Welcome to 4730 Zeno Court in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, a stunning move-in ready home where luxury meets convenience. Why wait to build when this exquisite residence is ready for you now? This Farnese model has been thoughtfully enhanced with custom closets in every bedroom, elegant granite countertops, and an open floor plan that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Fully pocketing sliding glass doors lead you to the breathtaking Lanai, where you'll find a gas-heated saltwater pool and spa, a custom outdoor kitchen, and an extended covered space designed for year-round enjoyment. The multicolor pool lighting and integrated Sonos sound system set the perfect ambiance for relaxation and entertaining. All this with a stunning water view as your backdrop. Beyond your private retreat, Esplanade at Azario offers a true resort lifestyle. Enjoy 16 pickleball courts, 6 clay tennis courts, a full-service salon and spa, a state-of-the-art culinary center, a resort-style pool with lap lanes, and the poolside Bahama Bar, all just steps from your door, or a fun golf cart ride. This home offers the perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and world-class amenities. Schedule your private tour today. Your luxury lifestyle awaits.